Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of chia seeds. These little guys pack a huge nutritional punch. We'll be whipping up 5 amazing chia seed recipes that are not only good for you, but also incredibly delicious. So, put on your aprons, grab your mixing bowls, and let's get started. First up, we're starting with a classic chia seed pudding. You only need a few ingredients: chia seeds, your favorite milk, I'm using almond milk, and a touch of sweetness like honey or maple syrup. Want a chocolatey treat? Mix in some cocoa powder and a dash of vanilla extract. Feeling fruity? Add in your favorite berries or a swirl of mashed banana. Once you've mixed your ingredients, just pop it in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight and watch the magic happen. The chia seeds will absorb the liquid and transform into a pudding-like consistency that is both satisfying and delicious. Our next recipe is perfect for those warm summer days: refreshing chia seed lemonade. We're taking the classic lemonade recipe to the next level by adding in some chia seeds for a fun twist and a boost of nutrition. To make this, we'll combine freshly squeezed lemon juice, water, and your choice of sweetener. Once you've combined your lemonade base, stir in those amazing chia seeds and let the mixture chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. The chia seeds will create a slightly gelled texture that's super refreshing, and they add a fun little crunch to every sip. For our third recipe, we're making energy bars that are perfect for a quick snack on the go. These chia seed energy bars are packed with nutrients and flavor, and they're so easy to make. We'll start by combining rolled oats, nuts, and seeds in a bowl. I love using a mix of almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds, but feel free to get creative with your favorites. Then, in a separate bowl, we'll mix together mashed bananas, honey, and a dash of vanilla extract. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, spread the mixture into a lined baking dish, and bake until golden brown. Once cooled, cut them into bars and enjoy. Let's get this day started right with a delicious and nutritious chia seed smoothie bowl. This recipe is a fantastic way to pack in tons of fruits, veggies, and those awesome chia seeds for a breakfast that will keep you energized all morning long. For our smoothie bowl base, we'll blend together frozen fruits like berries or bananas with a splash of your favorite milk or yogurt. Once the base is smooth and creamy, pour it into a bowl and let's get creative with the toppings. Sprinkle on some granola for a satisfying crunch. Add your favorite fresh fruits like sliced bananas or berries. And don't forget a generous sprinkle of chia seeds for extra texture and nutrition. Last but definitely not least, we're making chia seed jam. This recipe is a healthy and delicious alternative to store-bought jams, and it's so easy to make with just a few ingredients. We'll start by simmering your favorite berries in a saucepan over medium heat. As the berries cook down, gently mash them with a fork or potato masher. Once the fruit has softened and released its juices, it's time to add the star ingredient, chia seeds. Stir in the chia seeds and let the mixture simmer for a few more minutes, or until it thickens. Then, pour the jam into a jar and let it cool completely before storing it in the refrigerator. It's amazing on toast, yogurt, or even just straight from the jar. And there you have it, 5 delicious chia seed recipes that are super easy to make and so good for you. From creamy puddings to refreshing lemonades, energy-boosting bars, vibrant smoothie bowls, and homemade jam, the possibilities are endless with these tiny but mighty seeds. Which recipe are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more tasty and fun recipes. Until next time, happy cooking. Happy.